Nakatakot ko. May alien dito oh. Wala rin kabitan yung helmet mo, ano? GoPro?
Wala.
Daya. Mag-gimbal ka na lang sa likod at sundat mo.
Sa dito, sa kap.
Mamaya. It's t-shirt day. Mauna ka, para ako na nga naglalakad. Yun.
Ha ha ha. These two guys are making their own DIY shoot. Ha ha ha. Today on MKABM, we are going to show you how we shoot that fucking edit that you've just watched 60 seconds ago. If you're still watching this, then this video is for you. Ha ha ha. I'm not making any sense. Just watch this behind the scene. You may learn something from this. Ha ha ha.
Tayo sa burn. Ikaw muna, shoot ko sa burn.
Natin, maganda yung buha.
Sa pala, kaliwa talaga. Utang niya, hirap akyat. Tirahin mo. Rampage eh. Tirahin mo, di ko tatanggalin.
Okay.
Yo!
Oo, sa likod lang kita.
Kanina nagpreno pa ako eh. Hindi ka dumiretso. Diretso ka para hindi mapuputol dito. Diretso ka pa hanggang dun. Halimutan ko sabihin. Baliktad ako dito sa kabila. Alam ko na.
Game! Oo, kada! Oo!
Medyo mabagal pa ako. Kailangan nasa unahan mo ako. So tired already. Wala na battery? Yuck! High five. That's a wrap. Filmmaker.
Nice!
Woo.
Okay guys, Eleanor here at Shoutout Sesh. For our shoutout for today, shout out to POV Tier, Clin Tots, Sheplong, Ako C. Domsky, VCMTB Fanoido, Paybuts Backpipez, Yang Rigiter, Sickthought777 Channel, Joseph Ballingbing, Beatmix Benj, JV Maddely, Master Link MTB, hashtag Lagajuan, Pong YouTube channel, and of course special shout out to Idol Arnell from AngCoolTV for this collab sesh. That's it guys, hope I pronounce your channel name properly. Ha ha ha! You can check out their channel on the description below. Please subscribe to their awesome channels. Those are the idols, ha ha ha. See you on the next shoutout sesh. Right on!
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.